Knowledge Nexus.
Hey everyone, welcome to this exciting journey through the history of one of the most influential tech companies in the world. Today, we're diving into the story of Google, from its humble beginnings to the tech giant it is today. It's a tale of innovation, perseverance, and a vision to change the world. It all started at Stanford University, where two PhD students, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, had a big idea. They were passionate about making the vast amount of information on the internet accessible and useful. They wanted to organize the entire World Wide Web. Imagine the challenge of sorting through billions of web pages to find the most relevant information. Their first project, called Backrub, was all about making search results better and information easier to find. The secret sauce? Something called PageRank. This algorithm was revolutionary because it ranked web pages based on their importance. It was a clever way to figure out how important a web page was by looking at its backlinks. The more links a page had from other sites, the more valuable it was considered. This was the seed that would grow into the Google we know today. Just like a tiny seed can grow into a massive tree, their idea had the potential to transform the internet. Back in 1997, Backrub got a new name, Google, a playful twist on Google, a huge number that represents the massive amount of information they wanted to organize. This new name reflected their ambitious goal. Google's goal was simple: make information helpful and easy to find for everyone. They envisioned a world where anyone could access the information they needed with just a few clicks. They focused on speed, accuracy, and making things user-friendly. People loved it. The search engine quickly gained popularity because it delivered results faster and more accurately than any other. Google's search engine was different. It stood out in a crowded market because it was designed with the user in mind. It was clean, easy to use, and gave great results. The minimalist design and powerful search capabilities made it a favorite among users, and that's how Google's amazing journey began. From a university project to a global powerhouse, Google has changed the way we access and use information. Stay tuned as we explore more about their incredible story. Google's early days were a mix of exciting growth and tough challenges. The company was founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, while they were PhD students at Stanford University. Their mission was to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. Working out of a garage, the small team had limited resources and a tiny budget. They had to be creative and resourceful, often working long hours to develop and refine their search engine technology. But their awesome search engine quickly caught on, and more people started using it. The simplicity and effectiveness of Google's search results set it apart from other search engines of the time. This meant they constantly needed to upgrade their servers and expand their infrastructure. The rapid increase in users required significant investments in technology to keep up with the demand. Google was dedicated to making searches fast and accurate, and they were always pushing the limits of technology. Their engineers worked tirelessly to improve the algorithms that powered the search engine, ensuring that users received the most relevant results. Getting funding was essential, and Google secured investments to help them grow. Early investors saw the potential in Google's innovative approach and provided the necessary capital to expand their operations. Their unique approach to advertising also helped. Google introduced AdWords, a program that allowed businesses to display ads based on search keywords, making advertising more targeted and effective. They focused on ads that were relevant to what people were searching for, instead of annoying pop-ups. This user-friendly approach to advertising was well received and contributed to Google's revenue growth. By the year 2000, Google was the name everyone knew for searching the internet. The company had become synonymous with finding information online, and its popularity continued to soar. Its colorful logo and simple interface were everywhere. The clean design and ease of use made Google the preferred choice for millions of users around the world. Google was officially a leader in the booming internet world. Things were changing fast, and Google was at the forefront of this digital revolution, continually innovating and expanding its services. Google's success wasn't magic, but it was close. Their secret weapon: sophisticated search algorithms that revolutionized the way we find information online. PageRank, the foundation of their success, was always being improved. This algorithm analyzed the links between websites to determine their importance and relevance. Google's engineers worked tirelessly to make sure people got the best search results. They were constantly tweaking and refining the algorithms to stay ahead of the curve. Updates like Panda, Penguin, and Hummingbird made searches even better by tackling spam, tricky links, and understanding what people really wanted to find. These updates ensured that users received the most accurate and relevant information. Google always put users first. They focused on creating a seamless and intuitive user experience, making it easy for anyone to find what they were looking for. They kept the search engine clean and simple, so everyone, young or old, tech-savvy or not, could use it. And speed? That was another key focus. Google was obsessed with it. They invested heavily in infrastructure to ensure that search results were delivered in the blink of an eye. Search results appeared in a blink of an eye. This speed was crucial in keeping users satisfied and coming back for more. This constant push for excellence made Google the top search engine in the world. Their dedication to innovation and user experience set them apart from the competition. It became the doorway to the internet for millions. Google's influence was undeniable, shaping the way we access and interact with information on a global scale. While search was Google's main thing, they started branching out. In 2004, Gmail arrived. This free email service offered a huge amount of storage, something unheard of back then. It changed how we emailed forever. Then came Google Maps in 2005, and suddenly, finding your way around was easier than ever. Detailed maps, pictures from space, and real-time traffic updates made Google Maps a must-have. In 2012, Google Drive gave us a place to store files online, access them from anywhere, and work together on documents. These free services made Google even more popular and showed that they were more than just a search engine. They were building a whole online world. Google didn't just build new things, they made some smart purchases too. In 2006, they bought YouTube for a whopping $1.65 billion. This gave Google control of the fast-growing world of online video. YouTube became the place to watch videos of all kinds. Buying Android in 2005 was a game-changer. This phone operating system, made by a small company, would become the most popular in the world. Because Android was open source, phone makers could use and adapt it easily. These bold moves showed that Google was forward-thinking and willing to invest in the future of technology. They were ready for the mobile revolution. Smartphones changed everything, and Google knew it. Android, which they bought in 2005, was their answer to the mobile world. This open-source operating system let phone makers customize it for their devices, and it took off like a rocket. Android's success came from being affordable, flexible, and having a huge app store called the Google Play Store. Google's own apps like Gmail, Maps, and YouTube worked perfectly with Android, making it easy to switch between devices. Android's popularity made Google a leader in the mobile age. The world had gone mobile. Google never stops innovating. They've invested heavily in artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is changing how we use technology. Google Assistant, their voice-activated helper, is on tons of devices. AI is also a big part of Google's search algorithms. Waymo, Google's self-driving car project, wants to change how we travel. Waymo's driverless cars have driven millions of miles, promising safer and more efficient roads. In healthcare, Google's AI is helping with early disease detection, personalized medicine, and finding new drugs. The possibilities of AI in healthcare are enormous, and Google is leading the way. Google's journey from a dorm room to a tech giant is an amazing story of innovation. They've always focused on making their products and services better, and that's been the key to their success. Google is also great at adapting to change. From search to mobile to AI, they've always been ahead of the game. As Google explores new areas like AI, self-driving cars, and healthcare, their impact on our lives will only grow. Their commitment to using technology to solve big problems is inspiring. Google's story is a great example for businesses and entrepreneurs everywhere. Innovation, smart acquisitions, and adapting to change are the keys to success in today's fast-paced tech world.